Ever wondered if you can grow your own onions at home using store-bought sets? Today we're diving into the world of homegrown onions and how you can get started with just a simple store-bought set. Well, you can, and it's easier than you might think. To start, you'll need a few simple things. Gather your store-bought onion sets, rich soil, a pot or a garden bed, and of course water. These are the basic building blocks of your onion growing journey. With these in hand, you're ready to begin. Firstly, prepare your soil. You'll want to ensure it's well-drained and rich in organic matter. Then, it's time to plant your onion sets. Place them in the soil, pointy end up, about 2 inches apart and 1 to 2 inches deep. This allows room for growth and helps the onions establish a strong root system. Once planted, gently cover the sets with soil. Remember, the way you plant your onions can greatly influence their growth. Proper planting is the first step towards a successful harvest. Now that your onions are planted, they'll need some care. Watering is crucial, especially in dry spells. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Fertilizing? Yes, onions crave it. A balanced garden fertilizer applied every few weeks can do the trick. Keep an eye out for firm bulbs and vibrant green tops. These are signs of healthy growth. Remember, onions are not high maintenance, but they do appreciate your attention. With regular care, your onions will thrive. After a few months, your onions will be ready to harvest. Look for tops that have fallen over, indicating ripeness. Gently pull, then cure in a warm, well-ventilated spot. Store in a cool, dry place for longevity. And that's it. You've successfully grown onions from store-bought sets. So, growing onions at home is an easy and rewarding process. We've walked through the journey from getting started to planting, caring for, and finally, harvesting onions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.